Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Lord Farquaad in DTI. So here we are turning the iconic Lord Farquaad into a total runway legend. And if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So first, let's make the iconic bob hair. Let's just go to the feminine hair category. First, I'm going to put on this short hair, toggle it into no bangs and change the color to black. Then I'm going to combine it with this short hair in here and toggle it into no bangs, change the color to black, and you'll get this bob hair. And now let's make the outfits. First, I'm going to just go to the women's sections in here and put on this top. So for the top, I'm going to use this red color. And for the accent, I'm going to make it or use this gold color, including the bow. And I'm going to use also this puff on the shoulder and use the same color. And here you can make the material into silk for the top, just like this. And now let's combine it with this skirt at the top. In here, use the same materials and color, and I'm going to use this skirt in the same color. And I'm going to put on these stockings here, change the color into black, and here I'm going to put on this puffs in it, it's into glows, change the color to all red. And let me put on this sleeves and change the color to black. Now let's just grab some accessory. First, I'm going to, of course, put on this hat, this parrot hat, and change the color into red like the dress. And for the shoe here, I'm going to just grab this boot from Code Items. This boots in here, change the color into all black. And I'm going to put on this strawberry dress, but here I'm going to use only the sleeves. Change the first preview into red and the second one into gold. And let me put on this necklace. Sorry, not this one. Let's go to the jewelry shelf in here and put on this necklace, toggle it into number 2. Change the color into gold, just like this. So now the look is done, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.